Hi, in this video I will be showing you a basic navigation of Chrome OS for your Chromebook. You can log in here. If you find the profile loaded not to be yours, you can remove it by clicking on the drop arrow on the side of the username, or you can add your account by clicking on the Add Person button you see below. Once you log in, your school website should open. If this is not the case, please see your school Chrome Care Center. On your lower right side of your screen, you can find your status tray. As you can see, it has a Wi-Fi icon, battery, and clock. If you click on it, you will find some settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, keyboard settings, sound, among others. You can also control the volume and brightness of your screen from here. In the middle, we have the bar where your quick shortcuts will be placed. And on the left side, we have the launcher, which is this circle. And this is where all your apps will live. On top, you can find a search bar to simplify the findings of apps and documents in your Chromebook. In the search bar, you can type settings. Once in it, you can access all the options in your Chromebook. You can change how your keyboard behaves, language, and even personalize your Chromebook. You can also access the settings by going to the status tray and clicking on the little gear icon here. To save a website as a shortcut, go to your website on your Chrome browser. Click the three dots on the right, then go to More Tools, then click on Create Shortcut. A window will pop up. Rename the shortcut however you like, then click on Create. Go to your apps and you will see it here. To pin it to your quick shortcuts, click on it with 2 fingers and select Pin to Shelf. To remove it, click on it again with 2 fingers and select Unpin, or you can select Remove from Chrome if you want to delete it. Finally, to sign out, you can go to the status tray and click Sign Out, or you can turn off your Chromebook by clicking here.